What are you doing?
I've got balloons, like a lot of balloons. We're celebrating Rams in style. This is probably the closest I'm going to get to a Rams player here in studio. Okay, all right, we'll be right back.
As you can see, we're getting fired up for the Super Bowl on Sunday, and all of these gorgeous balloons are the work of Sandi Masori. She creates these beautiful statues and made all these for the Rams for us. Thank you so much for joining us.
Go Rams!
Yes!
I'm going to get started. I'm going to try to run through them. You guys go ahead.
Tackling all these players because
Bobby
it's
D,
literally the
you're
shape
it.
of players.
Come chase
Sandi,
me.
Tell me, what was the inspiration for this?
Well, I mean, the Rams, you know, I wanted something that was fun, that was football. This is my 4th year here, so I wanted something I hadn't done yet. Oh my God, I love it.
I love it. They are not players on the Rams, clearly. So these are incredible. How do you make these? Like, how long did it take you to make all this?
Well, we were here since 4 in the morning, so we've been working on it for a little bit.
Wow.
Yeah.
How many balloons?
A lot. I'd have to count them all, but yeah, it was a good number of them, yeah.
Let's try
Especially
that
the little
trick.
guys. Yeah.
You're going to show us a trick
I
on
do. I
balloons?
have something fun I want to show you, but before I show it to you, I got to tell you
We'll
something.
be right back.